Do you want to get buff? I have the answer for you. It's the perfect push-up, baby. Oh.
Just ask my friend David over here. He'll tell you a little bit about this perfect push-up.
I have been using the perfect push-up since I was in diapers, and I've had much more luck with the ladies.
Here we have Jake demonstrating how to use the perfect push-up. 1, 2. Oh.
The perfect push-up makes you tough. The perfect push-up makes you buff. This fine product can be yours for free. Just kidding, it's around $9.50. I use it in the gym to do my workout. I use it in the gym when I want to sprout. I use it in the gym to impress the boys. I use it in the gym like it's a toy.